Hey, good morning, sixth graders. So yesterday we looked at our stations with the Treaty of Traverse des Sioux. Today you're going to read a little bit about it and finish your reading guide. So we started our Chapter 6 reading guide a while back with Part 1 and Part 2. Today you're going to finish Part 3. So if you need that, it should be in Notability, so you should have been working on it up until this point. If you need it, you can tap here to download another one. For whatever reason, maybe it lost or Notability is not working. But you'll notice it's multiple pages long, if I ever can get this one to load. And what it is the Part 3. So there isn't a whole lot here for Part 3 for you to fill in, but it will be something that you need to get to work on and finish. Let me close this. I'm going to see if I can't find it here. I can show you. So Part 1, we did already. Part 2 we did with the different perspectives. Part 3 is the one that says Target 3 here, Treaty of Traverse des Sioux, and you'll see page 6.21. You're going to read that. That will help you fill in the rest of this page. When you get done with it, make sure you go through the vocab words and write in a definition for each of those. And that's when you're going to know that you're finished. You have all of that completed. Check through, make sure you have the entire packet filled in before you turn it in. Once you have that done, you're happy with the way it looks, you can turn into this assignment. It's just called Chapter 6 Reading Guide Turn-In. At that point, you can click on this link. It'll bring you to a booklet for Chapter 6. You can choose the game mode, whatever one you want. Once you figure out which one you want, you can play that for a while until the end of class. If you get tired of playing that, there is going to be a CNN 10 here that you can watch. It's 10 minutes long. So maybe the last 10 minutes of class, you can tune into that and watch some current events. Make sure you plug in earbuds and or headphones, and you can enjoy watching that CNN 10. Email me if you have any questions. I will be back later in the day. I'm just at a meeting right now. All right, thank you, and enjoy your time here.